Who is this? Hey everyone, I'm at one of my best friend's house up in the country, and he has these elevated raised beds that are phenomenal. And the other day he said, you should come over here and make a video. So that's what we're doing today. Labradors and an elevated or raised bed. Ready?
Ready.
Here we go. So the coolest thing about this is that it is up off the ground. So if you aren't bending as well as you used to be able to do, the Labradors are banging the camera operator, but you're at waist height here to work rather than having to be, you know, on the ground like this. I'm waiting for one of the Labradors to come lick me. And
they're licking me.
They're licking the camera operator instead. So, when you're at ground level, your dogs will lick you a lot. But if you're up here,
you're safe.
You can work on your garden and you're not full of dog saliva. All right, so while I keep them entertained, let's walk through this. This is all pressure treated. One of our neighbors who's a master carpenter built it. It's a 2x6 with a 1x4, like 1x4 decking, and then another 2x6 or a 2x8. And then on the bottom, to hold it all up, is a 4x4. And let's look underneath. Underneath is more of the pressure treated decking with what looks like a 2x3 going across for support. And there are spaces in between the decking for drainage. And then on top of the decking, in other words, on the other side of the decking, is a high quality landscape fabric to keep the soil from dropping through those cracks. Is this the spot? Is that the spot? Is that the spot, Blaze? Another benefit, I think, of a raised elevated bed is maybe it's out of the way of your dogs. They can't jump into the raised bed because my beds are right on the ground and the dogs are like in the bed, you know?
All the time.
A lot of tails moving here. What kind of soil should you be using in your elevated bed? Is it called an elevated bed or a raised? I'm not quite sure what to call this, except really a great idea that my friend did. This is a half composted cow manure with topsoil that my friend got from a local dairy that sells their own garden soil blend. And underneath this is the fabric. There's what, 18 inches here of soil, then a high quality agricultural fabric, and then the slats. So the fabric keeps this soil from running out the bottom there. Are we wondering if the puppy likes string beans or not? My neighbor's watching. Let's do this.
Oh.
That is a success. Oh. If you want to watch some more of our raised bed videos, there should be one floating here or here. The links are below as well. Let me know your questions and thoughts about this in the comments below. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Make it a great day. She's still eating that string bean.